England and Spain face off in Women's Euro final. England will play against Spain today in the final of the Women's Euro 2025. The match takes place in Basel, Switzerland. Many fans have been waiting for this game because it is a repeat of the 2023 World Cup final. In that game, Spain won. Now, England want to win and take the trophy home. Both teams have played very well in the tournament. England have used strong teamwork and smart planning. Spain have shown great skill with quick passing and fast movement. Coaches from both sides said they are ready, but the rainy weather might affect how the teams play. Some players may need to change their style during the game. This final is a big moment for women's football. More people are watching and supporting it than ever before. Tickets for the final sold out quickly, and millions will watch the game on television. No matter who wins, this match will show how exciting and powerful women's football has become.